सेंटेन्स स्टेटमेंट यामधला डिफरन्स सिम्बॉल पाहिल्यानंतर आपल्याला एक्सरसाइज मधला नेक्स्ट टाइप पाहायचा आहे. और नेक्स्ट टाइप सेकंड टाइप इज राइट द फॉलोइंग कंपाउंड स्टेटमेंट सिम्बॉलिकली. Means here compound statement 7 compound statements are given. We have to write all compound statements in symbolic form. Means all these sentences are now statements or compound statements we have to write in symbolic form. So you know that simple statements are, if individual statement is there, then simple statements are written in the form of alphabets small p, small q, small r, like this. So therefore, if there are two simple statements, then we have to write pq as simple statement, and then we have to write there in compound form. Now we'll see the solution of first example. Means we have to write the compound statement in symbolic form. Now first compound statement is Nagpur is in Maharashtra and Chennai is in Tamil Nadu. Now first of all we will write simple statement individually. First we will write let P stands for small p stands for Nagpur is in Maharashtra. This is first simple statement. Now second Q, second symbolic form, second simple statement is Chennai is in Tamil Nadu. Chennai is in Tamil Nadu. This is symbolical notation. Now we'll write finally its symbolic form. Its symbolic form is, what is symbolic form of given compound statement? Which connective is here? Here connective is and, therefore compound statement symbolic form is P and Q. Its symbolic form is, symbolic form of given statement is, also you can write it. We will write in next line, suppose next example. Its symbolic form is P and Q. Now second example is, in second example or is connective there, therefore we have to use or disjunction connective. Here is conjunction connective for and. Now second example is triangle is equilateral or isosceles. Now similar manner, first of all we will write P stands for triangle is equilateral. There is no need to write truth value, only you have to write symbolic form. Let's suppose that P stands for triangle. P stands for triangle is equilateral, and Q stands for triangle is isosceles. Triangle is isosceles. So therefore symbolic form of, now we will write here total wording, symbolic form of given compound statement is, here or is here, therefore symbolic form will be P or Q. Here is disjunction we have to write here. This is the solution of second example. In similar manner we will write solution of third example. We will write symbolic form, the angle is right angle if and only if it is of measure 90 degree. So therefore here connective is if and only if. This is connective, means biconditional we have to use here. So for this purpose, first of all we will write let P stands for first simple statement, the angle is right angle. The angle is right angle, and Q stands for it is of measure 90 degree. Now we will write similar manner statement or wording. Therefore symbolic form of given compound statement. Symbolic form of given compound statement is, what will be, P double implies Q, because here if and only if this connect is here, therefore we have to write here symbolic form as P double implies Q. Now this is solution of our third compound statement, means symbolic form of third compound statement. Now we'll see next fourth compound statement. Here angle is neither acute nor obtuse. Now here first of all we write, let P stands for angle is acute, Q stands for angle is obtuse. In both simple statements, here is angle is neither acute nor obtuse, means here first of all here is angle is, meaning of this compound statement is angle is not acute and angle is not obtuse, means here conjunction we have to use here. So therefore its symbolic form is, we will write directly, its symbolic form is, what will be symbolic form? Negation of P is here, we have to write and here, and negation of Q. This will be symbolic form of fourth compound statement. Fifth compound statement, if triangle ABC is right angled at B, then measure of angle A plus measure of angle C equal to 90 degree. So if then is here, means conditional we have to use here, implication we have to use here. So first of all we will write, let P stands for triangle ABC is right angled at B, and Q stands for measure of angle A plus measurement of angle C equal to 90 degree. Now we will write its symbolic form. Its symbolic form is, what will you see? Its symbolic form, if then is here, therefore we have to use implication, P implies Q, or we say here conditional. Now sixth example solution. Hima Das wins gold medal if and only if she runs fast, means if and only if here we have to use by conditional here, or double implication. So therefore first of all you write, let P stands for Hima Das wins gold medal. Q stands for she runs fast. She runs fast. Therefore lastly we will write its symbolic form. Its symbolic form is, what is symbolic form here? We have to use double implication or by conditional we write. If and only if here, therefore we have to use double implication. Now here lastly, x is not irrational number, but it is a square of an integer. Only symbolic form we have to write here. Let P stands for, suppose x is not irrational. X is not irrational number. Q stands for, suppose Q stands for it is a square of an integer. Now what will be its symbolic form? Its symbolic form is, what will be its symbolic form? X is not irrational number, but it is a square of an integer, means we have to write its symbolic form as P and Q. Means whenever there is but is there, but connective, it stands for and, means conjunction. Its symbolic form is P and Q. In this way we can write all compound statements in symbolic form. You can easily write this symbolic form.